Smoke from Canadian wildfires is blanketing much of the state. This is so bad it looks like fog, but it's not. It's smoke. This is a time-lapse video from our St. Paul Skycam showing just how thick it is in the skyline.
Yeah, Joe Mason's tracking the smoke, which is impacting all aspects of our outdoor lives, from our health to our social calendars.
First, though, here's meteorologist Chris Reese with your forecast first. That's a
Oh my goodness. Yes, it really is. The rain brought it down in a big way earlier today, and we are still looking at the haze. That St. Paul Tower camera really showing you just how bad it is. Now, with this in mind, we do still have air quality alerts, especially for central and eastern Minnesota and western Wisconsin. That's until 9 o'clock tomorrow. But you will notice parts of northwestern and far southwestern Minnesota are now free of air quality alerts. That's because the heaviest of the smoke right now, that's pretty much across the metro, south and east into parts of western Wisconsin, and improvements will continue throughout a lot of the day tomorrow. Now, while throughout tomorrow we will still have at least a little bit of smoke, I really expect this to thin out in a big way as we go through Thursday. So right now, air quality, it remains unhealthy for everybody. Tomorrow, my expectation is for it to be moderate, and by Thursday we do get a breath of fresh air. But Thursday, I'm also tracking return of our summertime game, Splash and Dash. We'll talk some of those showers in my extended forecast.
All right, thanks so much, Chris. Some outdoor events have already been canceled, like after-school sports, but others are monitoring the air quality, including the St. Paul Saints, who are scheduled to play in an hour.
Yeah, Joe Mason live at CHS Field right now, where there is a smoky haze hanging over the ballpark in downtown St. Paul. Hi, Joe.
Hey, Kevin, this is the kind of smoke you want to see at the ballpark here. Abby cooking up some Philly cheesesteaks. Now, it's a different kind of smoke out here on the field. The Saints have canceled 5 games this season because of rain and snow. They don't want to add smoke to the list, and right now they're keeping an eye on the sky. Baseball is a game of numbers, but on this day, the St. Paul Saints are following one that won't show up in the box score.
You're worried about ERA, you're worried about OPS, you're worried about WAR, but AQI, that's the one we're worrying about today, the air quality index.
Throughout the day, Saints President Derek Scherer monitored air quality at the ballpark from the Canadian wildfires.
Player safety, fan safety, our staff here working the games, so we definitely want to pay very close attention to this.
Mother Nature throws a lot of curveballs at the Saints. Smoke usually ain't one of them. We're
used to dealing with rain. In Minnesota, we're used to dealing with snow in the early part of the season, but dealing with smoke is not something we have to do very often.
Train hard, win easy. But on this day, the track at Harding High School in St. Paul, no one put their best foot forward.
This is the guidelines that are sent out by the State High School League.
Athletic Director Otto Kraus says practice for a student in track heading to state was canceled because of the smoky air.
It isn't guesswork. We stick to what the policies say and be active in monitoring those changes and do the best that we can to give the kids a great experience and keep safety at the forefront.
On the roof of the school, the Minnesota Pollution Control Agency has this air testing station that monitors the quality of air for the area.
Yeah. Have you ever been up there?
A few times. Yeah, we had to get a few tennis balls off of there. So, yeah.
That air testing station you saw on top of the school there are 50 of those all across the state. Right now, this game is on. The Saints have never canceled a game because of smoke. Let's hope that record isn't broken. Live in downtown St. Paul, Joe Mason, 5 Eyewitness News.
All right, let's hope it's not looking good out there, though, Joe. 5 Eyewitness News will continue to track the smoke and the air quality for you in Minnesota and how it's impacting you. You can get alerts and updates anytime on the KSTP mobile app.